Hey guys, so I just woke up and here is what I'll try to do today. I'll try to color the Iron Man helmet. Red's gonna be red and gold is gonna be gold. Look at this pile of things. Maybe you do not see anything familiar, but this pile of things are b-daman, disassembled, and somebody is selling them on eBay. So people need to place their bids on them and he is selling them. By the look of this, I think he's just trying to actually get rid of them. And I need this pile. This could cost around $1,000 to $1,500 if he would sell each and every one separately. But he chose this way, and well, I hope that me and my friend would get this. Here I have the usual setup. Here is my tablet with almost non-battery power. Here are the actual, how could I say, transition between the shin and the foot part, or the boot. And here are some parts. Here I'm cutting off some parts of the boot, which are going to be this side parts, and they are right over here, those parts, and I cut them out with from 2mm foam. Those that you can see right here are the side parts of the boots, and right now I'm gonna paint them with Mod Podge. Fuck my life. This spray was nothing but a big mess for me. I broke two of those heads. Here is one. Here's one, and it is broken. Crap. You change this. So, we cannot paint this today. The weather is getting strange. Hey, it's raining, and I brought this from the outside, and this was painted with primary coat of gray, and then I added silver paint. Second coat. Can is empty, but we have another. What you're looking at right here is some old press. It's actually a grape press, and with this we make a grape juice, which then goes in the tubes down there into the basement, where we actually have a storage for grape juice. And after time, grape juice develops and becomes wine. But what I'm doing today is I am coloring this old press into some new color. It is raining. I'm gonna show you a difference. This is helmet without a Mod Podge. You see this strange patches? Okay, so we're eating some vintage candy from year 2015. Quality wise, it still works. Chocolate is
It's still
It went bad.
no, it's so crispy. Well, I'm telling you, if I sell this on eBay, I'll probably get like $20, and I bought it for one. Oh my God! It's the invasion of dogs. He gonna eat me. He gonna eat me. It's almost 2 a.m. and right now my friends went home and I am alone and I'm about to go to sleep right now. We had a really great time playing with some b-daman, talking some creepy stories, eating snacks and enjoying ourselves. It was fun. It is always fun when they come to me. I've shown you a bit on eBay from a man who is selling a ton of different b-daman parts. And the good thing is, we got them all.
2 seconds too late. But really, this could be a meme.
This is the final product. This is actually a press, painted, coated twice, and for this and other parts we use like 2 cans of hammered effect. You see the texture. I was always wondering, what is the philosophy of b-daman parts? And not just b-daman parts, but a lot of different toys that they are hollow. Like for example, these feet are hollow and those back parts should be really solid since they could break easily. Like on a lot of b-daman and a lot of people that use them, and I know, those parts actually broke off really quick. Is this because of the absorption? Maybe if the part was solid part, this could break much easily. Or material, you need to give much more material if the part is solid. So maybe that is one point of this. It's charging time. I can finally spray paint this. Yay! First coat of paint and first 2 coats of Mod Podge. And now to the final paint.
Okay, they're finished. They're shiny. So beautiful.
And now I'm gonna cut those off.
Huh? Батчика, я скоро повезла. Okay, so let me explain all of this. Me and my friend were playing some Rocket League, and then all of a sudden it became really dark. And yeah, so then started the storm hit and everything went wrong. Like, it almost flooded our house, even if we are on top of a huge hill. I helped, but still, actually it was not that bad. It was just the front door. Because we have a problem that the main road is kind of lifted, the asphalt is kind of lifted, and then all the rain that pours down to the ground comes right up there in front of our front door. So that's some shit that the engineers really think through. Thank you for that. I'm soaked wet and now I need a shower.